Morphle can morph into anything I want. Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city. Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city. You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. Enough, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle. The robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house. Morphle, morph into a robot.
The Wrecking Bandits will strike again!
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together. Haha! I'm a scary pirate. Give me all your treasure.
I'm a big dinosaur. I'm not scared of pirates.
Wow, you guys have great costumes. Ooh, what is your costume, Mila? I have a magic t-shirt. It's Morphle.
Wow!
Morphle, let's fly. Morphle, lift up the dress-up box.
Wow!
Morphle, morph extra arms.
Oh no! Two bandits were just here. They stole all my clothes.
Don't worry, Daddy. We have more than enough clothes in our dress-up box. Now, let's see. How should we dress up Daddy? You look beautiful, Daddy. Huh? Oh no! It's the chain of office bandits! Now they're stealing the police officers' clothes!
We're no longer the chain of office bandits. Now we're the fashion bandits. We will steal all of the city's clothes. Beware.
Costume! You're right! We should give the police officer a costume too! Here, Mr. Police Officer.
Excellent. Now after the fashion bandits. We must stop them from stealing all the clothes.
After them, Morphle!
You can't stop us. Soon no one will have any clothes left.
Oh no! The helicopter is falling! Morphle, use your strong arms to catch it.
Where are they? I'll catch them this time.
Here you go, Mr. Mayor. We have a costume for you, too.
Thank you, Mila. Now you have to stop those bandits. The city needs you.
There's one. I'll catch him.
It's up to us, Morphle. Use your wings. It's no use. They are too fast. Too fast! But we can't give up. The city is counting on us. Huh?
You are no match for the fashion bandits. And now, we have your little red friend.
Silly bandits! Morphle, use your strong arms. Morphle, use your wings. Now, let's get back to the others.
Thank you. Well done, Mila and Morphle. You caught the bandits, and now everyone can get back their clothes. The mayor should give you a medal. Now, where is that mayor? There are lots of different basic shapes. For instance, there are squares, circles, triangles, rectangles, ovals, stars, and heart shapes. With my latest invention, I can turn those shapes into real objects.
Wow, that's so cool!
If you combine different shapes, you can create lots of new shapes. Now, let's try making a motorbike.
Morphle, morph into a crane so we can put the shapes together. Great! Now let's build a car! Morphle, make a star car! That looks great, Morphle!
Now, let's... Oops! Tumbling test tubes. I'll go after it. Worry not.
Uh-oh. I hope Professor Rashid stops the tire soon. Morphle, what are you doing? Morphle make no real animal. A fantasy animal? That's a great idea. It worked! Let's name you Shapey. Morphle, let's see what other fantasy animals we can make. Wait, where is Shapey? We have to find it. Let's go, Morphle. Take the shapes. Good idea. Morphle, morph into a dump truck so we can take the shapes with us. Joe. What happened?
Hi, Mila and Morphle. A strange animal took one of the tires of my truck.
Morphle, do you remember what shape Professor Rashid turned into a tire? Shaka? Yeah! Morphle, put a circle where the tire needs to be.
Wow! Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
Morphle, look! Hello, Builder Lawrence. Is something wrong?
Oh, hi, Mila and Morphle. I was just waiting here for someone with a big heart-shaped box of chocolates. And all of a sudden, it has disappeared.
Good idea, Morphle.
Thank you so much. Oh, here she comes.
Hey, what's wrong?
Some strange creature came by and stole our surfboards. And now we can't surf anymore.
Morphle make a surfboard? Yeah! Now, what shape could turn into a surfboard? We found you, Shapey. You can't just take things from other people. Look! Wow! It looks just like you, Shapey. That's why you took all the different shapes. You wanted to build yourself a friend. These objects do have the same shapes as you, Shapey, but the zapper can only zap to life Professor Rashid's special shapes. But we can build a friend for you using Professor Rashid's shapes.
Oh no! The magic letters are gone. I had every letter of the alphabet in my truck.
Is that one of them, Daddy?
Ah, yes. It's the T for tree.
Look over there, in that yellow car. The C for car, and the Y for yellow.
Here, everything you catch with this Magic Pet Transporter hoop will end up in the Magic Pet store. Will the two of you catch all of the letters for me, Mila?
Of course, Daddy. Let's start with the A Morphle. Aeroplane. That's right. Let's find an airplane. The H of helicopter. Bitch! You're right! Look, Morphle, the O of ocean. Look! The Eye of Island! X marks the spot. Morphle! Morph into an excavator! There's the G on the garage. Let's keep on going, Morphle. The D for desert. The V for volcano. The N for the North Pole. The J for jungle. It's the E for elephant. Do you know any other special places where the magic letters could be? It's moon. You're right. Let's go to the moon. It's the S for space.
Say, are you looking for this little guy?
The U for UFO.
I was on my way to Professor Rashid, but I got lost.
Don't worry, we'll get you there.
No! Tumbling test tubes!
Look, it's the L for laboratory.
Maybe that also explains why there is a Q in my quantum physics experiment.
Only a few more Morphle, and I think I know just where to find them. F is for fire truck. P is for policeman.
Huh?
R is for racetrack. Do you know where we can find the Z Morphle? Sure. That's right. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Hey.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. What brings you to the zoo?
We're looking for all the magic letter pets, and we only need the Z for zoo.
Well, it sounds like your friends are waiting for you.
Oh, Mila and Morphle. Somebody stole the wheels of my tow truck.
Morphle, morph into a tow truck too.
Aw, thanks, Mila and Morphle. Oh, look! All the wheels have been stolen.
Oh no! Look, the wheel bandits?
No, no, no! The fire!
Oh, look! The wheels are gone. Now how are we going to get to the hospital? Hey, Mila and Morphle. Thank you.
Not in my city! them, Mila and Morphle!
He's bringing us to the garage. Look, Mila and Morphle. This is my latest invention.
Whoa!
Everything that I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Wow!
Tumbling test tubes. It's gone. We are now the Building Bandits.
After them, Morphle.
Oh no! It's Morhple! Take that!
What? My house!
Yeah! Let's take the police station!
You there! Stop! You bandits! Just wait till I'm done with you!
You won't get away with this, you no good for nothing ragged frets. I'm coming to them,
This will slow them down!
Jitterbug, that's enough. Catch boy.
Let's go, Morphle. I have an idea.
We've got another one. Hi there.
Well done, Morphle. Now let's give everyone their house back.
Amazing, Mila and Morphle. Thanks to you, everything is back to normal.
You there! Stop! Stealing cheese, huh? Not in my...
There's no place in the world where it's more fun to climb trees than in the jungle. Right, Morphle? Hey, look! The crocodile seems like it's in pain. I'm too scared to get close to it, Morphle. You should morph into a crocodile too, so you two can become friends.
Crocodile, what's your wrong? Crocodile, a toothache.
We should help it by brushing its teeth. Oh, this is scary. Ah, look, Morphle. The crocodile was just losing a baby tooth. That's why it had a toothache. Now we can put the tooth right here and wait for the tooth fairy. This is such a long wait. Maybe the tooth fairy doesn't visit the jungle. Let's wait for just a little bit more. Phew. Phew. Morphle, let's play space adventure. Morph into a spaceship. Okay, Morphle, beware. Because the scary space overlord could be anywhere. We found you, space overlord.
Mila and Morphle, I'm not a space overlord. Can the two of you not play somewhere else? I'm trying to read.
Okay, Daddy.
Maybe I shouldn't have been so grumpy to Mila and Morphle. They were only playing.
You know what, Morphle? Why don't we go into space for real? Look, Morphle, it's a space treasure. Morphle, go! show Daddy the space treasure we found.
Daddy gone.
Daddy, where are you?
Space Overlord.
It was you. You kidnapped Daddy's space overlord. Give him back.
Mila. I am Daddy.
Look at what we found, Daddy. It's a space treasure.
Wow, you guys had a real space adventure. I'm sorry I was so grumpy before.
That's okay. Will you come with us on our next space trip, Daddy?
I would love to.
Look, Morphle. It's a traveling carnival.
Teddy bear.
Wow! Your magic pet would make a great attraction at this carnival.
Really?
Yeah. What do you say?
Morphle, morph into a motorcycle. Morphle, morph into a lion. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. Morph into a unicorn, Morphle. Whoa! Let's go, Morphle! Yay!
Wow! Thank you, Morphle. You did a great job today. The carnival is about to close, but first, we have...
Ice cream!